Happy Sunday, everybody. I hope so far your weekend has been wonderful. I just want to thank you for once again coming to my channel. It means the world to me. And I know we all, this Memorial Day weekend, are giving thanks to all those that served their country and lost their lives, and the families of those. And I thank everyone that has served their country by joining the military. And we need to thank their families too, because they make great sacrifices to be away from their loved ones while they keep us safe. So thank you, all the military people. And also, it's still on my heart about the tragedy in Texas. We need to continue to pray for them because they've got a lot of hard roads ahead of them. So let's continue to keep them in our prayers too. So let's get started with the tour. I didn't do a whole lot in here, just changed a few things after I took Easter down. So I hope you won't be disappointed, because I know I'm going to be doing Patriotic soon. And that's why I didn't do a whole lot. But it is a little bit different, so. I just put those cute little pillows on that chair. I have that Longaberger basket that I got at a yard sale with some florals in it. This is the little chair that is usually in the kitchen, but I brought it in here and did a little garden vignette. That little book back there is that wonderful child's book that I got at that estate sale a couple weeks ago. And there's the little flower book that we got at the yard sale. And I already had those little seed packets. And I just put a couple little flower pots and those wonderful old gardening scissors. And they're in a little wood box that we got last year at a yard sale. Up here I have some birds and things related to gardening, and I have some of my Polish pottery up here too, and a few more things we got at yard sales recently. There's that little super nice child's teapot and sugar and creamer set that we got at a yard sale. There's that wonderful little wee folks from Leslie. Here are some Polish pottery butterflies. I think they are just gorgeous. And they're in a little yard sale basket that we got years ago. And right there's that German picture that we got at a yard sale. I kept the little riser there and just put one of the bird houses, and it's a little bird under there. And then I kept the bird with the crown, and I brought out the plate with the bird's nest. And there's this little bluebird vintage cup and saucer that I bring out every year. Y'all have seen it before, and I love it. And the Polish pottery. And over here is another silhouette. And another wonderful little print. I haven't put anything in my basket yet because I haven't found exactly the florals that I want to use. So I'll do some florals and probably a flag later on. I do have my bee pillows out. Brought back my shoe forms. The bunnies are still there in the blue and white pieces. And I just added that little yellow compote with a fern in it. Over here, pretty much the same. Over here, I changed a few things. I brought the blue bird houses in here and that wonderful blue and white striped English picture. And that plate that I got at a yard sale. And some of my ironstone. And this wonderful little bird's nest on those great stem is a part of my Christmas gift from Janice. Still have the wren and the silhouettes. I just changed what was in this seed box because it'll be going away soon since it is the pansies. But I have thoroughly enjoyed having that one out. Over here, pretty much the same. I did keep the little bunnies out. I did go on and put this large Lori Mitchell that my friend Janet got me several years ago. I had never seen a Lori Mitchell this big until she found this. She actually found it at the shop where we used to have many booths at. So I was thrilled to get this little sailor boy. His little face reminds you of Raggedy Andy, and he may be supposed to be him. I'm not sure, because it doesn't have, you know, its name or anything on the bottom. A couple old tins. I put bee lights on this tree and my couple bee ornaments and a couple other little things that I found. My intention had been to make some bee ornaments, but just never got time. I love the bee lights, though. And there's the gorgeous ornament that my daughter and her boyfriend got me for Christmas. And there's another one of those Anna Lee bees. A friend sent me a picture of an Anna Lee holding a beehive. It was a bee Anna Lee holding a beehive, and she said, "I know you need this," and I said, "I surely do. So if anybody sees it, let me know." Everything will be changed out, like I said, soon for red, white, and blue. I put a candle in the beehive cage. And I have lemons and bees over here too. There's that cute little lemon gnome that my friend Vicky got me. And I put lemons in that wonderful Polish pottery basket. And I'm using, I forgot to say that over on the other side, I'm using these great placemats that we got at that yard sale. Still got my chicken out, and a honey jar, and the bee salt and pepper shaker. And back there is that wonderful vintage honey jar I got last week. And I put lemons in that beautiful bowl. Just changed a little bit up here. Put the beautiful yellow pansy bowl there and turned it up so you could see how gorgeous it is. Brought the bunnies in here from the kitchen. I think everything's the same up there. I have really enjoyed having the Polish pottery out. Let's open this one up. I just brought some of the cobalt bottles over here. And like I said, a lot of the Polish pottery's up here. A lot of vintage doilies. Okay, that is all. I didn't do anything different in the entry hall, but I will be back soon. I hope when it dries out and I can get outside and do some cleaning and weeding to do some more garden tours. It literally rained for a week, and we got 7.5 inches of rain. And it is still muddy out there. But I hope to be able to get out soon and catch up on some of the gardening work so I can do a garden tour. And then after that, there'll be some more patriotic tours. So happy Memorial Day weekend, everybody. Love and blessings to all of you. Bye-bye till the next time.